If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIBA Update today. Yesterday I'm picking up from where I left you, and we are currently playing and breaking out of this left shoulder, head, right shoulder bullish pattern. You just really broke out of here in a very aggressive manner. You just didn't break out and backtest things to continue. You just shoot all the way up with the green candle, but this one tells me that this is a small retracement to the upside. I just want to see a weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame, there's nothing too much in the weekly, maybe just the 10 EMA. And one thing that I want to give you very quickly is that we could just be on the verge of backtesting this 20 EMA anytime you did that, because you went below the 10, backtested the 20, and the 55 as well, moved down, backtest the 10, 20 again, moved down. You can go up, backtest the 20, and then from there start to move even lower. So that's something that can be expected, and this is just nothing more than a weekly retracement to go higher. Now if I do actually drop one pattern here, one can say that we could even potentially be on the verge of making this one bottom, second bottom, and if this double bottom plays out, then you could actually see SHIB bottoming out here and try to come up to 1673 and break out 1673, come up here, break this level, and then you're good to go all the way to 3500 levels. It's possible. It's actually possible, but keep in mind we still have bear flags on the monthly. There's no clarity of something like that to happen. Instead, what I can do is maybe try to draw a trend line from there to there, and this trend line is something you have to keep an eye on, because you could actually just do something like this: go up, come down, go up again, backtest that trend line, come down, backtest this trend line on 1130, and you have a technical target of this inverse head and shoulders to 1075, and then continue lower. Now there's a scalping opportunity, and I think I'm looking forward to get that scalping opportunity today, and that's on the 15 minutes time frame. If you look at it, it's actually breaking out a little bit right now. So yeah, that's a very clear breakout. We just need a little bit of a retest right down there, and you can see that the next technical target is going to be 1041 all the way up here. So if you actually just do a small back testing right there to 982, that could be an amazing trade up for 6% move up with a stop loss down here for maybe a 1% loss. It looks like a great day scalping opportunity for me for SHIB at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.